Are you a registered nurse that's gearing up to take your NCLEX RN exam? Then you know for sure how stressful most of these questions can be. The trick to passing your NCLEX RN exam is not just about knowing the content. There is a strategy that you always have to follow, as NCLEX RN is all about mastering your mindset. In today's video, we will be talking about a 5-second rule and how this 5-second rule can help you pass your NCLEX RN exam. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Hello registered nurses, my name is Karen Zedvin. I've been a nurse in the US for about 6 years now, and on this channel, I've been helping registered nurses get through their NCLEX RN journey with flying colors. So in today's video, we will be talking about the 5-second rule that is going to help you master your mindset before taking your NCLEX RN exam. And this is not something that is vague or is just coming from a random person. This 5-second rule was designed by Mel Robbins, who is one of the best-selling authors in New York Times. All her publications are evidence-based and research-based, and this 5-second rule that we're going to talk about today is also research-based, and this is going to help you master your mindset before taking your exam. So Mel Robbins explains that you have 5 seconds before you start second-guessing yourself. So now how this works is, she says that you have 5 seconds to think and make a decision. If you don't utilize that 5 seconds, your brain is going to start over-analyzing, and before you know it, you're going to be drowning in your own thoughts. So on the NCLEX RN exam, the first 5 seconds as soon as you read a question is golden. So when you see a question, your gut instinct most of the time knows and tells you the right answer. You just have to trust it. But the moment you start second guessing yourself, that is exactly where your brain starts flooding and doubts kick in. You start to think if this is the right answer or if you're missing out on something. And before you know it, you have overthought yourself. And now you have flooded yourself with information where you have easily chosen the first answer and went with that. Does that sound familiar to you? Is this happening to you when you're doing your practice questions as well? This is exactly where the 5-second rules come in. When you read a question, count till 5 and choose the answer that you think is the most appropriate. Do not let your mind wander into doubts, as that is only going to create more and more confusion. Trust your first instinct, and oftentimes that is the right answer. And at least it's better than flooding yourself with so much information that does not even matter. Let's break this down with an example. Imagine you're given a question like this. Which of this is the most important nursing intervention for a post-operative patient with wound infection? Now you might start thinking it could be sepsis, antibiotic, wound care, or there might be other answers that you could have. But wait, you've only got 5 seconds to think. Trust your gut feeling and go with it. Which option stood out to you first? That is probably the right answer. Do not waste time looking for the perfect answer, as you would never be able to find that. And stop worrying about what you might have missed. Here's the key. Overthinking does not help you with your NCLEX RN exam. And in fact, it might lead you to choosing a wrong answer. Use the 5-second rule to trust your instinct and go with the answer that comes to your mind first. You have prepared for this test for a long time, and there is no point in second guessing yourself at this moment. Now let's get a little interactive. I'm going to give you a scenario, and I want you to just think 5 seconds for it and put your answer in the comment section. We are going to be applying the 5-second rules right here. And that will for sure help you understand how this 5-second rule is going to help you in your NCLEX RN exam. So here's the question. A nurse is caring for a client who's been prescribed a blood transfusion. What is the most important thing that a nurse needs to know before transfusing blood? I'm going to give you 4 options right here. Number 1 is vital signs. Number 2 is blood compatibility. Number 3 is patient identification. And number 4 is a patent IV. Your 5 seconds starts right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want you to go ahead and put your answer in the comment section below. What did you pick? If you picked B, you got the answer right. Of course, the most important thing to know before transfusing blood is to know if the blood is even compatible to transfuse it to this patient. So for all those who got your answers right, you can know now that you did not have a lot of time to think. And as soon as option 2 came to your mind and you put that in, you got that right. Now let's talk about some common mistakes that you're going to have to avoid when following this 5-second rule. This 5-second rule is made for you to think and answer within 5 seconds, but no way you're going to have to rush. Make sure you understand the question. I've been helping so many students, and the first thing that I tell them is you have to understand the question, and that is the first thing for you to do before even looking at the answers. If you do not understand the question, you are just going to be confused, and no matter how well you're prepared, you are always going to get your answers wrong because you have to understand the questions. NCLEX questions are based in ways that can be confusing sometimes, and the answers would not make any sense to you if you do not understand the question. So take the time to read the question and then start counting till 5 and then answer it. Number 2 is do not let anxiety take over. A lot of the time, these questions are going to create some anxiety in you, but at this time, you're going to have to stop, take a breather, reset yourself, and then read the entire question again and try to understand what information is required for you to answer. And that is when you're going to go and move to the answers or the options and then give yourself 5 seconds to choose the right answer. Alright, so to wrap it up, the 5-second rule is a game changer to stop you overthinking while taking your NCLEX RN exam. It's all about trusting your training. You have worked hard. You have spent countless hours retaining all this information, and you have to trust your gut feeling at this time when you're taking your exam. So count till 5, read the question, read the answers, and go for it. Don't let doubts mess up your focus. Remember, your first instinct or your first choice is the one that you're going for. Make sure you practice this in your study sessions or when you're taking your practice questions. And before you know it, you will be breezing through those questions like a boss. So there you have it, a complete review on the rule of 5 seconds and how you can utilize it to pass your NCLEX RN exam. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if there are any topics you want me to make a video on, put those in the comment sections below. And I will try my best to get to that topic as soon as I can. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, put those in the comments below as well. Good luck and stay calm, and I wish you all the best for your NCLEX RN exam. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.